Hello everyone, I am Mandana and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Pharma and Jobs in Dubai. In this channel I usually share about the pharma industry in UAE and also sometimes the video on jobs, the recent jobs that usually publish here in the websites. So in today's video I'm going to talk about nurses in UAE or the nursing career in UAE. So I will speak to you in this video and I will let you know about the scope of nursing career in UAE, about the certificates, about the documents required for applying for the job of a nurse here in UAE, and what is the scope of this career in UAE, what is the salary of nurses here in Dubai or in UAE. So these all the topics I'm going to cover in this one video. So watch the video till the end to know everything about this. So before I start my video on the nursing, please subscribe to my channel Pharma and Jobs in Dubai. Also like the video and share the video with your friends, with your colleagues. If you like the content is useful or you find the content is really beneficial for you, so do share it with your friends. Now friends, when we talk about nursing or the career of nurses here in UAE, let me tell you that it's a very good career. Nursing or the nurses here in UAE have very good career. It's a very fruitful career and the salary is also very good. In UAE, it is not the job only for the female nurses, but yes, we do have here the male nurses. So the female as well as the male candidates who have done their education, who have done their completed their education in nursing, who have the certificates in nursing, can apply for the nursing job here in UAE. This is such a wonderful job here that it's always in demand, and since past 1.5 year almost, it's more in demand since this COVID situation due to this COVID pandemic, and lots of vacancies are always there for the nurses. Even today I was just going through and I found many vacancies for nurses, so it's a high demand job here. Because we have lots of hospitals here, we have lots of clinics here, we have many medical centers here. So you have your career opportunity in many fields, and also not only the hospital, clinics and medical centers, you are even required in for the home care nurses. Like you're also required as a home care nurses, because here to take care of the elderly people in their houses, and also to take care of the newborn children. People hire nurses for for a year or even more than a year, when you are with some family who have an elderly in their home and who need a caregiver as a nurse. So you are hired there and they pay you good salary, you have a free stay, you have free food, and you only have to look after that elderly person, and you're also as I said looking after for a newborn baby also. In many families they hire nurses here. So it's not only the job here, even more in the school also we have the position for nurses. So school nurses is also one of the positions here in UAE schools. So that's why this job is in a huge demand in UAE, because it has a broad career opportunity. You have many many paths where you can get a job in this sector. So now let's start this job from the beginning. Like what are the requirements, what you need to be a nurse here in UAE or in Dubai. So you should have your passport, you should have your photographs with white background, passport size photographs. You should have your educational certificates of your school. You should have your educational certificates of your college, like degree, diploma or the masters in nursing. And also one more certificate is necessary here, and that is the BLS, that is the basic life support certificate. So this certificate is also asked here when you are applying for nursing. So these are some of the documents that are needed. Apart from this, you should also have your country if you have any other certification from your country in nursing, you should also attach that document along with these all basic important documents. So this was about the documents. And as I said, this job is not only for the clinics, hospitals and the medical centers. You have a huge demand here for home care nurses and the school nurses. That is why your salary is also good. But let's talk about the salary in the other part of the video. Now moving on ahead with what are the license that you need. As we all know, UAE has different emirates. So according to the different emirates, they have different licensing procedures as well. So like if you want to work here in Dubai, you need to have a DHA license, that is a Dubai Health Authority license. Here we have a healthcare city in UAE, a place where mostly medical centers and clinics are there, some hospitals are there. That place name itself is healthcare city. So if you are working as a nurse in Dubai healthcare city, then you also need to have a license, DHCC, which states Dubai Healthcare Authority certificate or license. And then if you're working in emirates like Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Sharjah, Al Quwain, then you need a license called Ministry of Health, MOH. So you should have this license as a nurse. And if you want to work here in Abu Dhabi or in the emirates of other Abu Dhabi like Al Ain, so you should have a hard license. This license is for Abu Dhabi, MOH license is for the other emirates as I just said, and DHA is for DHA and DHCC, it's for the Dubai. So whichever you want to clear, whichever exam you have cleared or you want to clear, that you can select according to which emirate you want to work in. Also here in some of the hospitals, MOH license is it is acceptable. You can even work on the basis of MOH license in some of the Dubai hospitals. And this was about the license that you should have for working as a nurse here in UAE. The best thing will be if you clear the exam from your home country and after that you come here in UAE and find for yourself a job. That will be the best thing. But due to always we have lots of vacancies here for the nurses, so you can also try from your home country as well, online. And you will definitely, if you have all these things, you will definitely be hired by some or the other company. So friends, as I just said, that you only females do not get the opportunity to work as a nurse here in UAE. Even the male nurses are in huge demand here in hospitals. So even the males have equal opportunity to work as a nurse here in UAE. If you have done if you have your qualification, your higher education in nursing, you can apply here as a nurse and get a good salary and good benefits. Now let me tell you about the working hours. Usually the basic working hours are 8 hours or somewhere 9, but most of the hospitals or in most of the medical centers and clinics, they might ask you to work for 12 hours. So, and this will be your daily shift of 12 hours with a weekly off. But in this case, what happens is that you get an overtime. So you are paid an overtime. You're working as a nurse and whenever you exceed your working hours from 8-9 hours to 12 hours, so that overtime will be paid to you. And most of the companies provide the transportation to their nurses, and some of them also provide the accommodation to their nurses. But yes, in some cases, if they are not providing you the transportation and accommodation, but they will provide you the in your salary, they will give you some amount that will include your monthly accommodation cost and your monthly transportation cost, in case they are not providing you this facility from their hospital or their clinic or their medical center. But when you are going for a home care nurse, in that case, somewhere you will be asked to live there as a live-in nurse, or somewhere you will be asked like to work for 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours, and after that you can leave, and the next morning again you can come. So it depends on the family and the condition of the elderly you are looking after. So this was about the caregiver nurses. Male as well as female, both are in huge demand. Now let me tell you something about the school nurses. Like here in every school there are school nurses as well, and they are like, if the child have any kind of problem, there are doctors in the school and there are nurses in the school. So this position is for the schools as well. So, and there also you get some good amount of salary. So this was about your working hours and your some field wherever you are in demand. And now let me tell you about the salary. So when it comes to the salary of nursing, the salary is really very good here. Like if you are a registered nurse, if you are a RN, then you will have your salary starting from 7,000 or 8,000 to 15,000. It depends on your experience basically. Like suppose if you have already have an experience in UAE, and then you will have promotions and promotions and promotions. So you have good promotions on the basis of salary I'm talking about in this just now. So you get a good salary. So basically also your range start from 8,000 to 15,000 when we talk about good hospitals here in the UAE, in Dubai. And also when it comes to good medical centers and clinics, they also offer the starting salary from 7,000, somewhere it is from 8,000. And the salary, the starting salary usually also depends on you, because how you face your interview, how your interview is conducted, and you know, all those things, all those factors are also included. So somewhere you start from 7,000, somewhere you start from 8,000, and it may go on till 15,000 dirhams. So it's a very good salary. Like when we say about the starting salary, you are a fresher, you don't have experience here in UAE. So to start with 7,000, 8,000 is pretty good, which is like around, it's more than 1,50,000 in Indian currency. So this is a very good amount. And when it comes to the school nurses salary, and when it comes to the caregiver salary, there it is like it will start from around 4,000, somewhere around 5,000, and like depends on your experience as well. So it will start from 4,000 or 5,000 when it comes to the caregiver nurses, which are for the families, for the children and for elderly, and for the school nurses, which is for the children in the school whenever there is a requirement. So this was about the nursing. Like I have explained everything about the basics of nursing, the certificates you require here, the salary, and in which sectors this job is in demand, or in which sectors you get you have the scope and opportunity to work here in UAE. So this was all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you want any more information regarding nursing job in UAE or in Dubai, do let me know in the comment section, so that in the future I can make the video on that. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share with your friends.